The dog spread out on the floor and doesn't give a G. But here's a wakeful little baby who will not fall asleep. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good night, and welcome back to my channel and to another video. But today's video is going to be just a little bit different. Today I am actually doing a review on this awesome app that reached out to me for an app for Tyler. So this app is called Kidloland. This app is amazing for your toddler or your kids who is 5 years old and younger. This app offers nursery rhymes, it offers learning activities, it offers a wide range of things that can keep your child active, can preoccupied, and it is perfect for your toddler. As a matter of fact, Tyler has been using it ever since we got this app, and it is simply, it is fun, it keeps him engaged. It's one of his favorite things to listen to these days when he's going to bed. But first, I'm just going to show you how this app works. So this app is perfect for you. If you have an Android phone or an iPhone, it is perfect for you and your kids. So all I have to do is go to my Play Store on my phone and download or install the Kidloland app. After I do that, I just go to Kidloland. When I go to the app, all the options will show up on my phone of what is being offered, and in each option you have hundreds of different types of activities, hundreds of different types of options to choose from. Tyler's favorite is the lullabies. I'm just going to do a quick run through and show you some of the wonderful activities and games that Kidloland has to offer. So I'm just going to show you some of the old nursery rhymes. I have so many options in the lullabies. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. January is the first month of the year, after all the Christmas cheer. We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy The good thing about Kidloland, all the activities on the songs have the wording down the bottom of the songs. Some of these songs I didn't even know I was able to sing along with Tyler because the wordings are there and you can sing along with the songs. Travels very long on the road. Sometimes it's very good for Tyler to listen while he's in the car. If he's getting a bit fussy, it's perfect for him. Once he hears the Kidloland logo song starts to play, he give you a big bright smile. So yes, you guys, go ahead and check out the link down in the description box. Go and check out Kidloland. Have fun with your toddler using this app. The cool thing about Kidloland is the quality of each and every one of the songs. It is perfect and it keeps your kid want to look at the screen and engage and just keep watching. I can put my Kidloland app playing in front of Tyler and get anything done at any time of the day. He'll dance to songs, he'll clap to songs, he enjoy listening it, and I recommend this app for any mother or any parent who have a kid 5 years old and under. I'm going to leave all the information in the description box below, and I have some clip just to show you some of the ways that this app engaged Tyler and how it has been helping him. So enjoy these clips of Tyler and his Kidloland app. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. All the pretty little horses, dapples and grays,
Which one do you want to hear? Which one do you want to hear? Which one do you want to hear? Gonna hear this one? Let's play this one. Clap, clap,
MacDonald had a farm.
E-I-E-I-O.
Grunt, grunt there, here a grunt, there a grunt, everywhere a grunt, grunt. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Clap, clap, yeah.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
E-I-E-I-O.
And on that farm he
Clap,
had
clap,
a
clap,
dog.
yay.
With a woof woof here and a woof woof there. Here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
If you do that, you're gonna stop it, Papa. Wait, we're gonna get it back.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Ready to sing?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Show your little light. Twinkle, twinkle all the night. Rock-a-bye, baby, on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bough breaks, the cradle will fall, and down will come baby, cradle and all. Hey, Willie Winky, are you coming in? The cat is singing purring sounds to the sleeping hen. The dog spread out on the floor and doesn't give a cheep. But here's a wakeful little baby who will not fall asleep. Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird.
Kidloland is giving me the opportunity to do a giveaway to 3 persons. All you guys need to do to win a 3-month free subscription, it can't get any better than a 3-month free subscription of the Kidloland app. All you have to do is 1, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel. 2, have a kid 5 years old and under, and 3, have an Android phone or an iPhone. It's as simple as that. And leave the comments down below of all the things that I just asked, and you'll win a free subscription of 3 months worth of Kidloland app for your baby. Good luck, you guys, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, share if you want to, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.